7 gigabytes. What is this? I might have to install it on different drivers. Hello, Spider. Have you been, by the way, Frank? Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it.
She didn't do it.
Yeah, it's cute.
There we go. The game is called Scene Investigator. It is a game for fans of true crime. I like true crime. I used to actually what is that? Mercy Boo.
Where are you going?
Hero, I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
Holy smokes, bro! Oh, smash! Smash! Look at that, bro. Tell me you have no bitches without telling me you have no bitches. I have the same deal. This is what you should imagine when you yell at your Mercy.
Huh?
The problem is, the Mercies I get, Frank, dude. I love true crime and boobas.
Post a video that made you go viral.
Yup. 38. Diva walk.
I'm fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Huh?
Booba mercy, booba mercy, booba mercy, booba mercy, booba mercy, booba mercy,
You're the
booba mercy,
We're almost done downloading here. I should probably go pee before I fucking get into this game. Penis? Okay, guys, check this out. Penis, 13 inches. Height? You motherfucker, Nightbot. I'm gonna go pee.